I'm like, I know we're trying to be bougie, but 20% off, darling. Give the discount to the needy because we need it. Bang, I want my edges to be laid, like, to keep it a little bougie on this channel. What the hell is this? Is this a cloth? Oh, isn't that cute? Very cute, very fantabulosos. Masks, they just take out all the moisture and I'm just not really here for it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Look Fantastic haul. So I've recently partnered up with Look Fantastic and I've got a great discount code for you guys. But before we get into that video and I show you the goodies that I purchased and share my discount code with you, have you subscribed to my channel? And my name is Tonique Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and I show you videos on how to be bougie in fashion and how to be bougie in skincare. So like, what are you waiting for? Oh, you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Firstly, I want to apologize for the state of my nails. My birthday is coming up and I want my nails to be fresh for my birthday. So right now they're looking a little bit hickey, they're looking a little bit haggard, so don't judge me. But if it was the other way around, I would be a little bit judgy because we like to keep it a little bougie on this channel. Anyways, I started working with Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic, in case you don't know, is a website where you can purchase all of your beauty goods. It's got some of my favorites like Ren Skincare, Murad, NARS. I think they recently started selling the Mur. They also sell makeup and all that jazz. So going forward, I'll be collaborating with them and giving you, my lovely followers, the gift of giving by giving you 20% off their website. Please check the terms and conditions because there are a few brands that you won't be able to use that discount code on. However, there's some lovely brands which you can use the discount code on. I'm like, I know we're trying to be bougie, but 20% off, darling. Give the discount to the needy because we need it. Anyway, I've been babbling on for a long time. I just want to show you the products that I purchased, and then afterwards I thought I'd show you some of the goodies that I received from our brands and do a kind of like PR unboxing for you guys if you like. So yeah, the first purchase that I got was Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I'll just open this up. I'm not too sure about the prices, so I'm just going to leave them in the description below. What the hell is this? Is this a cloth? Oh, isn't that cute? Very cute, very fantabulosos. I will be using that. One thing I do not like though about beauty brands is the packaging. I do live sometimes a little bit for packaging, but sometimes it's just a bit too much when recycling, and in my household we are always recycling. So okay, this is recyclable, so that's fine. Just stash that there. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I have been using a very small tub of this and I've been using it as part of my nighttime routine, so I wanted to get like a full size, and I really love this. I love the fact that it can take off makeup like really easily. So that was the first thing that I got. There's a bit of dust, isn't there? Second thing I want to try out is the Care Edge Tamer. Oh, it doesn't really smell of anything. I've been hearing really good things about this. Point blank, I want my edges to be laid. Like, I've been wearing my natural hair for a very long time and they need to be snapped, so I thought I'd try it out. I also got the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. During this whole pandemic, my hands have been raggedy. They've just been horrid because you're using hand sanitizer literally like all the day, and I'm very anal about hand sanitizer, so I'm like every minute like, I don't actually know what that was about, but yeah. I even have like a large bottle of hand sanitizer around here somewhere because I just can't be dealing with the dirt of it all. So my hands have become really dry, and I heard that this was really good for nourishing and replenishing the skin. I think you can use it all over, on your hands, on your lips. My lips have been dry and I'm so lucky that I'm not actually kissing anyone at the moment because they have been dry AF. The masks, they just take out all the moisture and I'm just not really here for it. So that was another product that I got and I will be testing that out. Now I didn't really get the these from Look Fantastic, but I thought I'd show it because you can purchase them from Look Fantastic. But I got a little delivery from Ren Skincare. It's one of my favorite brands. This is the Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. I will be doing a video on how to use this because lately with the whole mask, the skin on my face has been so sensitive. I never really get like rashes or bumps or lumps, and all of a sudden we'd be getting them. So I used to use this last winter to like nourish and hydrate my skin, and now that we're coming up to winter and I'm using masks a lot, I think this will be great. I will do a separate routine, but I did use this last winter. It really does calm and nourish the skin, so that's a good one. I will also be including this in that video. This is the Ren Skincare non-drying spot treatment. I love this. I've been using this for like the last 2 years. Anytime I get a spot, just pop it on and bada bim bada bomb, spot is gone. Lyrics. I didn't even know that was gonna rhyme, but it did. I also got this and I really want to try it. This is the Ren Skincare Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I've heard so many good things about it. I've heard that it lightens dark spots. I don't really have as much because there was a time I was using rosehip oil religiously and they just started to fade away. But you know, why not? Let's try this out. And another thing that I wanted to try out from Ren Skincare was the Clarifying Clay Cleanser. I think this is their new cleanser that they've come out with. I'm very particular with my cleansers. I've already got them in my routine, but there's no harm in trying out a new one, so this was kindly gifted to me. So yeah, that was all for my Look Fantastic haul. I will list them below and get that discount code. The discount code is simply my name, Tonique. Like, how easy is that? But all the information will be logged below in the description. So moving on to my PR unboxing, I got these lovely tweezers from Tweezer Man. Oh, it's already gone. It was to celebrate National Brow Day. I feel like there's just national days for like anything now. Like, what the hell is National Brow Day? But that was on the 2nd of October. By the time this video comes out, I think we've probably gone past it, but yeah, but thank you, Tweezer Man. Second package is from Living Proof. This is their Vanishing Oil and it's part of the Frizz collection, and this is to stop frizz and add healthy shine, which I definitely need because sometimes there's a lot of frizz in this hair, so that's really cool. I also really love Living Proof. Like, I use their products so much, so I should do a video on like their products because their products are the bomb. Diggity Balm. Next we have some goodies from Mora, and these are top-ups. I actually use these all the time. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. I use this a lot, and this is the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. This is actually part of my nighttime routine, so love it. Ooh, next we have some goodies from L'Oreal. This is their new Air Volume Mega Mascara, so I want to try that out. I always use like L'Oreal or Maybelline for like everyday mascara. I just feel like for a drugstore mascara, they're actually pretty bomb. And they've actually given me some Hubba Bubba. So yeah, that's really cute. Who remembers Hubba Bubba? Literally brings back childish memories. I don't know if I'm more excited about the Hubba Bubba or the mascara. Is that bad, guys? Okay, and then I got some goodies from Kate Somerville. I've been wanting to try out this brand and I've heard so many good things about it. I think my friend Becky actually recommended me to this brand. So yeah, like, this is their Dermal Quench Liquid Lift. They have sent me their Liquid Exfoliate. I love the play on words there. This is their Triple Acid Resurfacing Treatment. Ooh, sounds like something that's gonna pull out all the hickeys and the haggers. This is the Delicate. Oh, I love that. Delicate Recovery Cream. I use this cream in the clinic after a pill or when the skin is stressed. It's a game changer for putting out the fire and calming irritation. Ooh. And lastly, Eradicate, which is the blemish treatment. That's so cool. Like, I like the play on words. It's super cute. And then I got a top up from Face Halo. This is the Pro Black Makeup Removers, and I really like Face Halo. I'm not 100% sustainable. I like to try and be. I feel like in life you can only be the best that you can be, and you can just always try. So I like using these because I like the fact that you can use these over and over again and pop them in wash, and you're just being sustainable rather than using like a cotton pad. So these are quite cute, and I really love that they take off makeup. So thank you for the top up, Face Halo. Okay, moving on to my next package, which is from Barry Ann. They just sent me over some goodies from their new Velvet collections. These are kind of like some blush brown neutral velvet matte nail paint. That's super cute, and that's the other colors. So they're all kind of like pinky browns, purplies. Maybe I should do like a giveaway because I'm very basic when it comes to my nails. On my toenails, always white. On my nails, red. Already spoke about the higgies and the haggers of the nails, so don't come for me. But I literally remain the same. I've been like that for years. It's not really changed. Every now and then, if I have to do a collaboration, I have changed my nail color, but I just like red and white toes. They also sent some little vegan treats because on the packaging it says open me vegan cake inside, so I will be enjoying those. And little information about the new collection. This is their Velvet collection, so they've got nail paint, they have a multi-purpose palette and some lipsticks. I would have liked the lipsticks. I'm gonna ask if I can get the lipsticks because I would have preferred the lipstick as I'm not really a nail person. I'm gonna try out the multi-purpose palette. Super cute. I just really like the brand. I like what the brand stands for. I like that they're cruelty free. I like that they're vegan, and I really like the PR girls. They're really nice people. That sounded like that advert, but you know when you meet people that are just genuinely nice. Thank you, Bariam. And lastly, we have Shiseido, and I'm guessing that they're now at Boots. So they have launched in Boots from the 29th of September. So they're well and truly going. Now this has gone everywhere, so I think I'm just gonna bring it out. They've sent me their complete cleansing microfoam, their fresh jelly lotion, their ultimate power infusing concentrate, their purifying peel off mask, and oh Lord God of mercy and their hydrating rich cream. I've heard so many good things about the brand. They are a brand from Tokyo, and they always use like kind of like rich ingredients. So I might even just do like a video, like a skincare video, trying out these products. Let me know, guys, if I should do a video trying out these products, and also for the Kate Somerville, because I'd love to try out these products, to be honest. Could be quite fun. But yeah, guys, that's it. It was literally like a Look Fantastic haul. Just wanted to like kind of give that discount code to you guys, and then I thought, well, since I'm sitting here, I might as well just talk you through some of the products that I've been gifted over the month. And I love to give back to my followers. Come on, we like to be bougie, but at the same time we love a little discount. We do, because I'm not shy of a discount. But yeah, if you do end up buying some things from Look Fantastic, let me know what you bought. Tag me, message me. I want to know what your beauty faves are. But if you like the video, want to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'd be happy to share this video. Want to share it. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of these products if you're interested. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember, guys, to stay what? Bougie.